Hey there folks, Peter here with BlackRock Business, and today in QuickBooks Point of Sale I am going to show you how to find your license number. The license number may come in handy if you ever have to call into it for some reason, or if you need to re-register your product, or also in the occasions on multi-store when you're figuring out how to do the store exchange, which is based on the license number. So here we go. Before we get into it, jump down the link below and join our Facebook QuickBooks Point of Sale group. That's a tongue twister. Sorry about that. I'm going to have you also click the subscribe button on YouTube because we're coming out with videos all the time and it's very important that you see all of them. So here we are in QuickBooks Point of Sale. We're going to go up to the Help menu here, and then we're going to head on down to About QuickBooks Point of Sale. As you can see here, I've got my license number and my product ID right smack dab in the middle. They're probably blurred out because I'm not going to hand them out to you, but that is where you are going to find your license number whenever you need it, whenever you need to tell somebody on the phone what the license number is, or when you are configuring things that have to do with the license number, such as multi-store exchange. All right, my name's Peter once again, and if you have any questions, comments, or other regards, go ahead and leave them down below, and we'll get around to answering them rather shortly. I'd be happy to answer your questions. You have yourself a great day now. Bye-bye.